Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install this Blender add-on. First go to Blender and click Edit Preference. Now you are in the add-on tabs. Click Install and find the Exporter add-on file. Click Install. Because I have installed this add-on here, so I'll just show you how you can enable it. Now let's search Exporter. Okay, just tick and this add-on is ready to go. Now let's create some basic geometries. We'll create a UV sphere. Put it here. Now, if you select these objects and click Object, Export. Now let me show you the way to export an object as FBX file without using this add-on. First, we need to click an object. For example, we click this cube, go to File, Export, FBX. Then we need to choose selected objects. And here, we need to rename it as cube. And click Export. And if you have an object which is not in the origin, you need to put it back to the origin. Then select Export FBX and rename it as sphere. And this process takes a lot of time, but with this plugin, all you need to do is select the objects you want to export and click Object and Export. So now if you go to the folder which contains the blend file and under Mesh folder, okay, this add-on will automatically generate a folder for you. It's called Mesh. And now you see these two objects are automatically exported as FBX file, and the sphere will be moved to the origin automatically. Now let's go to Unreal and see the objects we exported. Okay, first we need to drag these two objects to Unreal and click Import All. Okay, now you can see the sphere here. The origin is in the center of the cube, which is great. Now you are ready to go.